The irony of this is that this manifold has been on that 87 before. It had TBI heads on it at one point, and just for shits and giggles, I'm like, I wonder if I could just fill those center bolt holes with gasket sealer and bolt it down with the outside bolts like a Vortec and see if it'll seal. Yeah, it didn't. It didn't. We had this manifold set aside because we were going to use it on this truck, but the aluminum head project has been put on hiatus. So we're going to use a manifold on the 87 and we'll just find another one for this truck. Anyhow, we had this set aside because the accelerator pump on Holly likes to contact this runner right here, right in this spot. And so I thought, oh, I didn't even realize we're using a 750. On a 750 Holly, the throttle blades are close enough together that they will hit this, so you got to run some kind of spacer or grind down or cut down the plenum divider. And I can't say for certain at exactly what CFM there becomes too little space between the throttle bores, but I can tell you that a 600 CFM will go on this and not have that problem, and a 750 will contact the plenum divider. So if you ever do something stupid like this and fill a bolt hole with RTV, your weapon of choice is a flat screwdriver, and you just go around the hole and it'll come out in one chunk. So if I thought of that first, it would have only taken 1 minute, but that is one clean, ready to install intake manifold and fuel pump block off plate. How is that comfortable? Sadly, all we have time to do right now is drop these parts off, and then we gotta go feed the animals. Oh, dog, you got it all muddy. And this. Wow.
It's the DT.
Dual terminal.
Yeah, MTP 78DT. Yeah, 1,000 cranking amps.
What do I owe you?
It was one.
It didn't matter that I didn't have time to put the intake on last night because I totally forgot to grab my gasket set that I had stashed in anticipation of using it to put aluminum heads on this truck. We've got our battery. That Buick, in the last video I kept rattling on about a set of Buick Roadmaster exhaust manifolds. I had a pair of manifolds I removed from the same 93 Buick Roadmaster that the engine in this truck came out of. Actually, they were on this engine. And I was hoping to use them because I have they're in great shape and I have a Y-pipe for them, so I was thinking I could just stick the Y-pipe on and weld one stick to it and be done with it. But unfortunately, the 93 engine that those manifolds came off of had a passenger side dipstick, and the 76 engine that we're putting in the truck has a driver's side dipstick, and the downpipe on the driver's side and the dipstick are trying to occupy the same space, so that's a no bueno. So I think we're going to be using these Suburban manifolds to put that together. So, brand new interstate battery. We're going to go ahead and install our new water pump on our engine that we don't even know if it runs yet. Mainly because there's no more room in the cab to put anything. I guess we're going to go ahead and take this intake off. Before we can do that though, we got to put something to support the back of the block because we got to take this apparatus off. And put our actual motor mount bolts in because we just stuck a pair of extensions in there. I forgot I got to dump my gas cans in so they're empty so we could pump out the contents of the fuel tank in this. And my old man could burn up the 2-year-old swill in his truck. He's not too picky. We've got our gasket surfaces scraped. Oh, you know, Blue ran off with one. Oh, there she is. Juan came by here to ask me if I'd help him fix a fence in 20 minutes. And I said, yeah, perfect. That'll give me time to put this water pump on. Alright, and we have a water pump. I love this 1/4-inch drive snap-on ratchet. He's such a tough little guy. Yeah. Alright, moment of truth. Holy shit, these things are heavy. Oh, excuse me, dog. Oh, wow. Well, that's not too bad. Alright, I could work with that. Gasket surfaces are clean. That's all, folks.